Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the LeBron 7 Fairfax. So I was able to get this shoe early, that way I can show you the sneaker and you can decide whether you want to go for it on release day. This shoe is dropping March 6th. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, let's get into the video. Originally designed in 2009, the Nike LeBron 7 Fairfax is officially set to make its retail debut in 2020. The Nike basketball created the shoe for Los Angeles Fairfax High School, which is one of the few schools sponsored by LeBron James. This away version of the Nike LeBron 7 comes dressed in black, varsity red, and varsity maize color scheme. It features a black upper, patent leather overlays contrasted with red and yellow accents throughout the sneaker. There was also a home version in white, which has yet to be confirmed for a retail release. Look for the Nike LeBron 7 Fairfax to release on March 6th at select retailers and StockX. The retail price tag is set at $200. Now let's start off with the box. This is one of the dopest boxes in my opinion. All the detail, you got a bunch of pictures of LeBron James, you know, throughout his career. At least I think up until 2009, because the LeBron 7 was designed in 2009. I don't know what it is about slider boxes, but I absolutely love them. I think they are super cool. LeBron 7 Quick Strike, retail $200. Now I know you guys are here for the shoes, so let's get right into it. Bam! The LeBron 7 Fairfax. This shoe comes in primarily black with red and yellow accents. So this shoe did originally drop in 2009 as a LeBron player exclusive sneaker. At this time, LeBron was playing on the Cavaliers, so you got a bit of a Cavalier type vibe to this shoe. Now this is the first LeBron 7 PE to actually hit the general public. So that on its own is really cool, and I think a lot of people are gonna go for this shoe. So taking a closer look at the sneaker, it is a primarily black upper. You do have patent leather running across the bottom portion of the shoe. And you do have some black leather. I don't really know what to call this material, but if you guys look closely, you can see there are these yellow strings running across the upper. They even go underneath that Nike logo, which I think is really cool. Just that you can see the indents through the Nike logo. I don't know why, but I find that very cool. Your Nike swoosh is red outlined with yellow. Then you got the L23 crown logo. On the inside heel portion of the shoe, you do have Fairfax in yellow and red. You have a black tongue, red laces. The one really cool thing about the laces is you do have LeBron on one shoe and then James on the other shoe. Up on the top of the tongue, you have LeBron's signature. You have a black mesh lining with a red insole. The insole, you do have that L23 logo in yellow. Now on to one of my favorite parts about the shoe, the midsole. This is a full air unit midsole. One of my favorite things about LeBron's have always been the air units on all the models that have had it. They just always look very nice in my opinion. Then you have a black and red outsole. In the middle you have this hologram design, very cool. There's a bunch of like writing on there. I'm not going to go over all that, but I think that's pretty dope that that is added on the shoe. So there's a closer look at the shoe. Now let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Smoke, pulling up with a 6, so we passing out. All my boys smoke, yeah, we taking drugs. Always on the dash, always get it done. I cannot tie that bitch cause she wanna fuck. Swear I didn't flirt, it was on the run. Do the on the roll, cause I'm on the roll. Get it lit quick, baby, yeah, I need my smoke. Do the on the roll, cause I'm on the roll. Get it lit quick, baby, yeah, I need my smoke. Do the on the roll, cause I'm
I feel like talking my shit, ayy. I got a bitch in the rear, ayy. Niggas be talking that shit, ayy. But don't know what price this is, ayy. I walk around knowing I got it, my nigga. Make it look easy to hate on a nigga. Bless on these people, I know that I get it. Hit on my ex and then tell her I did it. I pull up and fuck on your thigh. That bitch is just giving me top. My nigga, I did it for peace sake. These bitches be calling me cheap.
there you guys have it, the LeBron 7 Fairfax. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Do you like this colorway? What did you think of the on-foot video? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Again, this shoe is dropping on March 6th for $200. I will leave places to purchase this shoe down in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. Let me know if you guys are gonna be going for this sneaker, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That is my clothing brand. You guys can check that out. I would appreciate it. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.